Hi everyone, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Now, we obviously love all of the features in Plan to Eat because we have taken so much time to painstakingly develop them and create them for the program. But potentially one of our most favorite features is the Share Extension Recipe Clipper, which works with the Plan to Eat app. So it's a super simple way to add recipes to your Plan to Eat account straight from websites. All you have to do is when you're in a recipe website, you can tap on the share icon, which looks like a square with a little arrow exiting it. And from there, you'll see that Plan to Eat shows up in your share options. So simply tap on Plan to Eat. It is going to open the Plan to Eat app for you and then automatically import all of the recipe information right into your Plan to Eat account. It gets saved as a draft in your account, just as if you were using the recipe clipper from the desktop version, and then hit the save button and that recipe has been added to your Plan to Eat account. This is a ridiculously simple way to get started adding recipes to your account or to continue adding recipes to an already robust recipe book. So if you have any questions, there are a couple help articles linked below for how to do this on both iOS and Android devices. And if you have any questions, please email us at help@planteat.com. See you next time.